Hello. I'd just like to update everyone on my journey finding home, let everyone know that I'm okay. And I've just been sitting here thinking a lot, thinking about this next attempt to go back to my province of origin. There's nothing waiting for me there, no one waiting for me there. If you have family, don't take them for granted. And if you're in a relationship, especially a long relationship, don't take it for granted. If you're going through a hard time, there's ups and downs. Work through it. Going through life with no safety net, no family, it's not easy. It's tiring, and having to live life and rebuilding. And my whole life I worked very hard, sacrificed a lot to achieve a lot. And all that was taken away from me when I moved to Calgary. Never dreamt that my whole life would be destroyed. And having to deal with it all alone. So yeah, that's really my point. I just want to say, if you have family, don't take them for granted. And if there's any rifts or anything, resolve them. Life is too short. Anyway, catch you next time.
Listen to this and write it down if you can't remember it. You're never going to outgrow warfare. You simply must learn to fight. I hear people saying to me, oh, when is it going to get easier? When you die.